All right, Mavs. I want to take a moment to talk to you about the digital side of the library, meaning the part of the library that you find online. If you go to the Northeast Independent School District website and you click right here on Launchpad on the right-hand side, it will take you to Launchpad. You do have to log in, but you can find on Launchpad a library resources tab. You might get some stuff that says we're having some issues. My library resources tab is right here. I can click on that and it takes me to all the different library resources that we do have. Some of the ones that we're going to explore together in the near future are BrainPop, Discovery Education. We might do some Britannica. We might do some National Geographic Kids and some Pebble Go. We also might look at Sora and Overdrive, which are apps like this one, where you can get ebooks and audiobooks. So that's how you get to those resources on Launchpad under Library Resources. You can also find the Madison Library on the Madison webpage. On the Madison webpage, if you simply scroll down on the right-hand side, we do have a library webpage link that takes you to the Madison Library. Remember, I told you earlier that Sora and Overdrive are the apps that take us to our ebooks and our audiobooks, and we can explore those later on. We do have our pictures in the middle that tell you some information about the library changes that we have and things like that. Also, our calendar here on the right-hand side that can tell you about upcoming events. And then important library links over here. Virtual school is where you can find a way to get a hold of Miss Wright if you need to. Information on clubs and programs right here. And then staff resources, or I'm sorry, student resources. Staff resources is under it. That's actually for teachers. If you scroll down, you'll see Miss Wright's picture and then the monthly spotlight, which should be changing here pretty quick to something for Hispanic Heritage Month. So you can find some really cool resources there. If you want a quick link to resources or to Launchpad, it is right here as well, and it'll take you where you need to go to get to those resources. So this is our digital resources, guys. This is our web page. Ways to connect in the library virtually is through our web page and through our library resources. If you have any questions, please let your teacher or Miss Wright know. Have a great day, Mavericks.